Hello subscribers and my dear students. Today in this video I am giving all the questions concerning NCERT lesson 1 to lesson 7. Okay, I am reading very slowly so that you can note down all these questions. Okay, listen. Define lifespan and mention the lifespan of crow, parrot, butterfly. Now question number 2, define reproduction and distinguish between sexual and asexual reproduction. Question number 3, write down the advantage and disadvantage of sexual and asexual reproduction. Question number 4, draw a diagram of Chlamydomonas, zoospore and conidia of penicillin and sponge of gamule. Question number 5, what are vegetative propagule and give the example of runner, sucker, offset, tuber, pulville and rhizome. Question number 6, distinguish between Eustrus cycle and menstrual cycle. Question number 7, distinguish haploid and diploid. Example. Question number 8, distinguish between homogametes and heterogametes. Question number 9, distinguish between monoecious and dioecious with example. Question number 10, distinguish between external and internal fertilization with example. Question number 11, distinguish between oviparous and viviparous. Question number 12, what are pre-fertilization and fertilization, post-fertilization event in the plant. Now lesson 2 questions. Okay, now see question number 1, draw the LS of flower and mention the function of each flower part. Now question number 2, what is the meaning of diathecious anther. Question number 3, draw the TS of mature anther and functional layer. Question number 4, explain microsporogenesis with example. 5, draw a level diagram of pollen grain. Question number 6, draw a diagram of monocarpellary, multicarpellary and syncarpous pistil. Question number 7, draw a diagram of anatropous ovule. Question number 8, explain microsporogenesis with diagram. Question number 9, draw a diagram of mature embryo sac. Question number 10, write the importance of sporopollenin in anther. Question number 11, distinguish between self and cross pollination. Question number 12, write down the function of fuliform apparatus. Question number 13, distinguish between chasmogamous and clistogamous flower. Question number 14, distinguish between gentnogamy and xenogamy. Question number 15, write the characteristics of wind, insect and water pollinated flower. Question number 16, what is pollen pistil interaction? Question number 17, what is self incompatibility and how it can be removed? Question number 18, Distinguish between homogamy and dioicy. Distinguish between next question number 19. How artificial hybridization is applied? Number 20. Explain double fertilization and its end product. Next question number 21. Explain the development of dicot embryo with diagram. Question number 22. Draw a diagram of a typical dicot embryo. Question number 23. Draw the LS of embryo of grass. Question number 24. Write down the covering of plumule and radicule. Next question number 25. What is seed? Distinguish between albuminous and non-albuminous seed with example. Question number 26. Grass family Cotyledon is scutellum. Okay. Question number 27. Define perisperm, pericarp, hypocotyle, epicotyle and scutellum. Question number 28. Define fruit and distinguish between true and false fruit. Question number 29. Why apple is called false fruit? Question number 30. What is parthenocarpy? How it can be applied in fruit? Question number 31. Write brief about apomixis polyembryony. Question number 32. What is dormancy and how it can we break down in seeds? Okay, now system diagram and mention the function of male accessory gland, testes, penis and urethra. Now question number 2. Draw the TS of testes and mention the pathway of sperm. Now question number 3. Explain spermatogenesis with diagram. Question number 4. Draw a diagram of sperm and ovum. Question number 5. Diagram of female reproductive system and mention the function of ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, vagina. Draw primary, secondary and tertiary follicles. Next question explain oogenesis with diagram. 8. What is menstruation and explain its phase diagram. Question explain the physiology of fertilization and इस क्वेश्चन को इस तरीके से भी पूछ सकते हैं. वाई XL इज फर्टिलाइज्ड ओनली बाई सिंगल स्पर्म. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. व्हाट इज इम्प्लांटेशन? एक्सप्लेन एम्ब्रियो डेवलपमेंट विद डायग्राम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. राइट द फंक्शन ऑफ प्लेसेंटा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर organ by ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Next question number 13. What is parturition and fetal ejection reflexes? Question number 14. What is lactation and draw the sectional view of mammary gland. Question spermiogenesis. Question number 16. Is the hymen sign of virginity? Explain. Question number 17. Draw a human fetus and write down the function of fetal membrane. Now next question number 18. What is mean arc? What is mean arc? What is menarche, puberty and menarche, fertility period and menopause? Now next question, chapter 4. Chapter 4, define the reproductive health. What is menarche, puberty and menarche, fertility period and menopause? Now next question, chapter 4. Chapter 4, define the reproductive health according to WHO. Question number 2, in which year family planning and MTP is legalized by government? Question number 3, what is the function of RCH and expand IMR MMR? What is amniocentesis and give its positive and negative aspects? Next question number 5, write the name of contraceptive pills CDRI. Next question, what are the contraceptives methods? Mention the type with example. Okay, next question, how IUCD or copper T work? Next question, explain vasectomy and tubectomy with diagram. Next question, what is MTP and mention the condition in which it is applied. Next question, what is STD? Mention the bacterial, viral and fungal. Protozoal STD with example. Next question, what is infertility and its type, causes in the female? Next question, what is IVF and explain about ART, ZIFT, GIFT, ICSI, AI and IUT. Okay, now chapter 5, define heredity and variation. Question number 2, write brief about father of genetics. Question number 3, explain Mendelian and explain Mendelism with example. इसमें तीनों लॉस जो हैं हमें एक्सप्लेन करने होंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन डोमिनेंट एंड रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन होमोजाइगस एंड हेट्रोजाइगस विद एग्जाम्पल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, राइट द ऑब्जेक्शन ऑफ मेंडलिज्म with example. Question number 6, what is multiple allelism and how human blood group inheritance takes place? Next question number 7, is there any possibility to produce O blood group offspring by parent A and B blood group? Next question number 8, what is sex determination and how does it takes place in human, Drosophila, cockroach and roundworm, fish, reptiles, bird, moth, MOTH, moth and butterfly. Next question, why T.H. Morgan is called father of modern genetics? Next question, question number 10, explain chromosomal theory of inheritance. Next question, define linkage, crossing over, recombination and its importance. Question number 12, what is mutation and explain the mutation theory. Next question, distinguish between point mutation and frame shift mutation. Next question number 14, distinguish between chromosomal and Mendelian disorders with example. Question number 15, distinguish between test cross and back cross with example. Next question, define pedigree analysis with symbol. Next question, what are autosomal and heterosomal chromosome disorders with their genotype and character. And next question, write brief about the following Mendelian disorders like PKU, number 2 albinism, number 3 AKU, number 4 hemophilia, number 5 sickle cell anemia. Okay, now chapter 6, distinguish between nucleosome and nucleoid. Question number 2, draw a diagram of nucleosome molecule. Question number 3, write down the components of DNA and their linkage. Question number 4, draw the polynucleotide chain of DNA. Question number 5, explain the double helix model of DNA. Question number 6, distinguish between heterochromatin and euchromatin chromosomes. Question number 7, distinguish between DNA and RNA. Next question, question number 8, explain Griffith experiment and or transforming principle. Question number 9, mention the components of RNA. Question number 10, draw the structure of tRNA molecule. Question number 11, explain Hershey and Chase experiment with diagram. Question number 12, what is DNA replication? Mention the enzyme consumed in it and draw the replicating fork with direction. Question number 13, explain Melson and Stahl experiment of DNA replication with diagram. Question number 14, what is central dogma and explain the transcription and translation with diagram. Question number 15, what is reverse transcription. Question number 16, what is the genetic code and mention the universal unambiguous initiating and terminating codon. Question number 17, what is lac operon? Explain the process with diagram. Question number 18, what is HGP? Mention its goal and why it is called mega project. Next question, what is Chargaff rule and percentage of nitrogenous base is calculated if the cytosine is 20%. Next question number 20, what is DNA fingerprinting? Explain with diagram and how it can be help in catching the criminals. Now chapter 7, define evolution and prove it with the help of evidences. Number 1, connecting link. Number 2, vestigial organ. Number 3, by fossil. Number 4, by homologous organ. Next, number 5, by analogous organ. And number 6, by embryological evidences. Question number 2, write brief about AI operant theory of chemical evolution. Question number 3, explain the Stanley Miller experiment. Question number 4, explain Darwinism. Question number 5, explain Lamarckism. Question number 6, what is speciation and how does it takes place. Question number 7, explain Hardy-Weinberg principle and drive it. P square plus Q square plus 2PQ is equal to 1 with founder effect. Next question, what is adaptive radiation? Explain with the help of example. Next question, what is natural selection and with its types by making diagram. Next question, illustrate the evolutionary time scale with example. Next question, illustrate the human evolution with its features. Okay, now questions are comprising in this video. I think all of you have noted down these questions. You should not be in the reading or understanding the question. That's why I already speak or read all the questions accurately so that all of you can write down. Okay, thank you.